Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic butter, and then we're going to be using these videos as time progresses into some beautiful dishes. So look out for those dishes. You know what I say? I'm going to give you a little bit of fast food you can do at home for the quarantine.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So as it is, I have 7 ounces of butter right here, right? Now we're just going to increase the volume by whipping that nicely. So the first thing you want to get is your mixer, or if you have a hand mixer. I'm going to be using this mixer right here, and we use the balloon whisk for this method. So we add all of that butter in. Allow that to whisk for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until you realize that butter is going to change from that yellow color to a nice white color, that of whipping cream, hence it's called whipping butter. So let's bring that on number 2 to get that nice and fluffy. We're just going to increase that speed gradually. Alright, so there we go. So for my garlic butter, these are the ingredients that I normally use to get that nice flavor that I'm looking for. So right here I have 2 heads of garlic, right? And they may look regular to you, but they're not. What I did was I put these on a 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven, and I roasted these for about 20 minutes. So they get nice and flavorful, see? Now I'm just gonna go in, we're just gonna remove those from the shell, and you're gonna realize how soft these are. And that bring out extra flavor when you're making your garlic butter, right? Cut that off. Look at that. This smells too good. We could have removed these from the casing, but we don't want to do that. Removing these from the casing, we're going to burn these, and we don't want that. We want to roast them in the shell, give it more flavor from the shell. And we can just chop that up. It's already mashed up, you know. Nice and soft. Then we're going to add this here, beauty, right into that whipped butter. Then now, I like to add a little bit of cracked fresh black pepper in. Yeah, I'm gonna put some parsley in there, about 1.5 teaspoons, and a teaspoon of dried basil. And we're just gonna mix that up. And because these garlic are so soft, they'll just mix right in. And my friends, trust me, when I make you some garlic bread, you will appreciate this recipe. Speed away. And there you have it, that beautiful whipped garlic butter. That beauty right there. Wow. Garlicky. Ready. Garlicky. So stick around, my people. Until the next video, we'll show you how we execute the use of this garlic butter in our various dishes. We have a lot of dishes, but the first one you're going to be seeing from this garlic butter is some garlic cheese bread, one of our all-time favorite here. So if that's something that you're interested in, give this video a thumbs up. Don't take this one lightly, because when you see we apply that onto our garlic bread, you're going to say, how did you make that garlic butter? This is the video for that. Just get that garlic roasted at first, and believe you me, the flavor gets more intense and more satisfying. So yo, once again, my people, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave in the comment section what you'd like to see done. We're gonna give you some. Do you want some garlic shrimp? You know me I say? I don't know. Comment below. I won't say, but you should. You get me I say? Thanks again for the love, my people. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up on yourself.